In this video, I'll show you where to get promo codes for Chewy. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe. So in saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, I'm going to open up any web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google. Now inside the Google search bar, I'm going to type in promo codes for Chewy and hit enter. And now if I scroll down here, you've got third-party sites like Real Time Me Not, Coupon Follow, Coupons.com, Join Honey, Worth the Penny. So these are the biggest players in this space. So you can check out any one of those third-party sites. But the one I like to use in particular is couponfollow.com. It says here 20% off in June 2024. I'm making this video in June 2024. So as you can see, you got Chewy coupons, 20% off pet prescriptions, 30% off your order. So you can check out all the different offers they've got going on here. So for this demonstration, I'll just show you how this works. So I want to click on the 30% off your order. And now what I want to do is copy this code and then paste this code at the checkout section of Chewy to redeem the 30% off your order with this Chewy promo code. Or you can simply click on redeem at Chewy and I'll activate that 30% off your order as well.